Here's an example of two transmission pans. I use the same transmission pan so you can see the difference in the fluid. This is a pan that's all cleaned up that has new fluid in it. You can see it's nice red fluid, not a bunch of garbage in the bottom of the pan or anything like that. And then this is a pan that came off of a vehicle. You can see the magnet in there. That's where all the metal particles and clutch material and all that stuff attach itself. And then you can see the metal particles and clutch material on the bottom of the pan. You can see how dirty the fluid is. That's why you need to service your transmission, is to get that stuff out of there. And the reason we don't suggest flushing your transmission is this is the stuff that's attached to this magnet, and a lot of the stuff on the bottom of the pan. If you don't pull the pan to change the filter and stuff, this is the stuff that you don't get out, is this stuff that's attached to the magnet in the bottom of the pan. So I've dumped the fluid out of these two pans. This was the one with the new fluid, and this is the one with the old fluid. You can see the drastic difference between the two.